Anyone who has ever done email marketing for e-commerce brands, whether you are a freelancer or an agency, knows what the most annoying part about the email marketing process is when you're working with clients. And that is without a doubt the design revisions process. You spend a ton of time designing your emails, you send it over to the client for review, and then inevitably they have a bunch of comments, which means that either you or your designer or account manager has to go back into Figma and spend a bunch of time triaging all of those comments and fixing the copy and designs in order to make the client happy. At our agency, clients who give really clear feedback are usually happy with the first revision, but oftentimes there's multiple rounds of revisions that need to get done, and it's always where the most time gets sucked up. So as we've been building Kicksend, our goal is to build the best AI-powered end-to-end workflow for creating e-commerce emails. We've recently onboarded a few of the top Klaviyo agencies in the world, and what that's meant is we put a bit more time into creating features specifically for agencies. So let me show you how our commenting and AI-powered revision features in Kicksend works. So we're inside of Kicksend right now, and as an agency, you can simply add in your clients into Kicksend in order for them to be able to review your emails just like you would inside of Figma. And this is exactly how the reviews process works and how agencies are currently using it right now. So let's say I go into this last chance Memorial Day free shipping ends today email, which was generated by Kicksend from scratch. We can go ahead and send this off to a client, and then using the comments button right here, your client will be able to go in and just leave comments exactly like they would in Figma anywhere on the email. So that's not really impressive. That's basically the same feature that Figma has. They could just leave comments like make this 2 words only. They could leave another comment like remove M dash, let's say change button to red. As we scroll down, maybe they want to remove all of the prices from this section. So they can basically just say remove all prices from this section. And then if they have any comments on any images, they can just click comment on image. So this is an AI generated image. And let's say they want to add in a product, or maybe they just want to like remove this book over here. They can just leave a comment that says remove book. Here is where the Kicksend magic comes in. As soon as the client lets you know that their comments are in for this email, you can go in, see all of the comments, and then you can either triage them normally. So you can see a comment like change the button to red over here, and then go into the edit section and just simply change the button color the same way that you would anywhere else. But that's still gonna be pretty time consuming and not that much better than Figma. Now, what if you could just regenerate this entire email based on all of their comments? So Kicksend allows you to either click the regenerate button for each individual comment if you want to go through one at a time, or you can just click regenerate from all comments over here and watch what Kicksend does. So just like an expert designer, Kicksend is going to take all of the client feedback into consideration right now and get to work just making all of the updates for you. So what you can see right here is we have this pre-filled prompt, and just like that, in literally 5 seconds, all of the revisions were completed. So if we go back to comments over here, we can see that Kicksend automatically resolved these. If we look at comment number 1, make this 2 words only, we can see over here this changed to shipping free. Comment number 2, remove the M dash, this was done here as well. Change the button to red, this was done. I just noticed over here because this rectangle, because of the change to the just 2 words, Kicksend automatically reformatted all of the elements in order to have this hero still look good with all of these changes applied. The next comment, remove all prices from this section. So if we just scroll down, we can see all of the prices have been removed. And then for image changes, we can just go into here, click regenerate from comments, and Kicksend's getting to work making this design update. And just like that, the update is done. So instead of needing to wait for a human designer to have the time to go into Figma, read all the comments, understand them properly, make all of the updates, and spend at least 10 minutes making all these revisions, Kicksend does them all for you in literally 30 seconds. If you're a freelancer or agency that wants to try this out for yourself, head over to kicksend.ai and you can book a demo with us. We'll show you exactly how Kicksend handles everything from your strategy to your copywriting to your design to your image slicing to segmentation to adding alt text to all of your images to automatically exporting it into Klaviyo. Literally the entire process is done for you and cuts down the amount of time on execution for your clients by up to 95% and allows one account manager to handle the entire process end to end instead of needing a copywriter, a designer, a strategist, all of these different people in a pod. And we offer custom discounted prices for agencies, which we are happy to chat through with you. I'll drop the link to Kicksend in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments or simply reach out on the Kicksend website. And lastly, if you have any major pain points in your agency process that you think can be solved by AI, just to reiterate, we're building the ultimate workflow to execute on e-commerce email marketing in the most efficient way possible. So we want to hear all those ideas and potentially work with you in order to build those into the platform.